Hello everybody, I'm here now. Is everything working? I hope so, yeah. Okay, looks good. Alright, so what we're going to do now, today, Big Boy Toad, yeah. Sorry, that was just a little fun video I had recorded way back. Okay, hello everybody, hello. Yeah, totally late, sorry. I missed it, like, I was stressed out, okay? Anyway, so today I'm going to show you basically how I do my MK64 custom courses. From the very beginning, I usually use a different setup because I'm using already made courses. Okay, hold on, I think the music is a bit too loud, right? Okay, good. Yeah, so we're going to start this today with a totally blank Blender setup. I'm just going to show you what I have here. It's a folder. I have some textures already set up, like fence, road, etc. This is, yeah, just so I can go over this more quickly. Then FPX is the folder where I put my model, and the hot swap is the ROM I am using to compile my level into. And then here's the output folder. This is basically what the Tarmac tools, the compiler will spit out in the end, so I can start the game and play on this course. Okay, yeah, over to Blender now. The first thing I'm going to do right now is create a simple cube. Okay, so this will be my starting cube. We're going to look for edge length because in MK64 the default length between the finish line poles is 175 units, so I'm going to hold on, I'm going to basically scale it up. Hold on. No, wrong. 175. Okay, now we can see here the length is 175, and this is, yeah, it's pretty big. Okay, and because the level may be a bit too large, I'm going to increase the view culling. Just add 2 zeros here, so it won't call out so soon, or else we'll have some problems, like if you see here and I'm having it set too low. No, that's not it. Yeah, too low. Yeah, you basically won't see much of your course. Okay, how much was it? 1000. Yeah. MTAP 3 will come, or version 3 of MTAP will come out sometime. I don't know yet. Lots to do still. Okay, so now we have this flat thingy here. I'm going to delete the bottom faces, so this that we just have a plane. Oh no, not dimensions, just the edge length. That will be alright for this. I can turn it off now because it doesn't need it anymore. Okay, where was it? Oh yeah, and actually I do all my editing in edit mode, so it doesn't screw up later on. So that's just me. You can basically do the same. Or well, anyway. Okay, so this will be... Hold on, I'm on the right... No, I'm not. I want to face north. Okay. Yeah. So you always start looking north. So you want your main your starting point of your main road facing north as well. Okay, so now we have this one. I'm going to add a new material over here. I'm going to open, what was it here? Okay, finish line, finish. Okay. No, too much. 8 is about right. Yep. Okay. Okay. So this is the place where you start. Okay. Yeah, it's 2.79. I think I put that in the description. That's not Blender 2.8 or above, but basically stuff works similar on this. Okay. So now I have this finish line texture right here. Because I want to switch to a road texture next, I'm going to make a duplicate of this. Oop. Then I'm just going to disconnect this object. And because I'm lazy, I'm going to do it like this. And now we have the road here. Okay. Oh yeah, actually, I usually give my materials names. So like this. It's easier to distinguish between those. And now, do I have snapping on? Yeah, no. Oh, vertex snapping. All right. Okay, cool. Okay, this is going to be a mirrored texture, so I'm going to just... Oh, hold on. Let's do it. Yeah, like this. And then I'm going to put this over here. You can't see it, it's mirrored, but in the game it will appear mirrored because I set the material as mirrored in Tarmac later on. I will go over that when we're there. Alright, so now I'm going to make this a little bit more pretty. And now I just extrude and build my curves. Like, I don't know, I'm not going to make this all too beautiful right now. I just want to show you how it's done, or how I am doing it. So just extrude a bunch. And this. Okay, great. Hello, Vena Monterrey. Yeah, so okay, now we have our road like this, and the texture is really stretched, right? Because the UVs are not correct. Luckily, since they are all quads, I can just like select everything like this, then select the original one, which has correct UVs. Press U, follow active quads, length average is okay. And now you can see down here in the UV editor that it's set up correctly. Also going ahead to delete this, dissolve this. Okay, it's better now. Yeah, not too pretty, but anyway. All right. I hope this is okay. Yeah, good. Next thing. What do we want next? Okay. I'm just going to extrude the outer faces, I guess. Yeah, it does, totally. You can see it. But your faces need to be quartz. Otherwise, if you have trice or something else, it won't work. Alright, so hold on. Okay, I wanna separate this and make it a new material. Let's choose grass for this. Grass is growth. Okay, so now just beautify this a little bit. Yeah, I don't know. Okay, that looks good so far. Now let's close this. Okay, right. This is really flat right now, but I'm going to go over this. For now, what shall we do? Guess I should just use the knife tool to create some mountainy background here. Yeah, it doesn't have to look good, I know. Just some small things I have picked up during my work here. Okay. What's this? Okay, hold on, that's right. And now we're going to alt select the outer vertices and just move them up a bit. Like so. Smooth shading. If you're here right now, so yeah, looks nice. Okay, now texturing is rather simple with this. I'm going to just use project from view, then I'm going to scale this up by like, I don't know, 10? It's 10 to, yeah, no. Let's use 14, I guess. Still a bit large. 20! Yeah. Okay, never mind. Alright, so on the inside I just do the same but with a different material. Well, project from view is like it projects the UVs on the texture from where you're looking at right now on your main window. Okay. Separate this again. Okay, yeah, I think I need to remove doubles here. One vertex here. Same here. Okay, wonderful. New texture, new material, apply a texture to it. Mountain. And we're going to apply the mountain. Okay, this needs to be moved up a bit now, like so. I'm going to shade it smooth. Yeah, that kind of looks like 90s CGI right there. Whatever. Just drag this along a bit here so it doesn't look too jarring. Well, yeah, okay, that's in the details now. You shouldn't be able to climb up there, right? Maybe put this a bit more on this side. Yeah, I think that's deep enough. Well, we're gonna try it out later anyway. Okay, so now... Yeah. Interesting mountain range, hmm? Look at this chocolate texture. No, but for real. So, okay, I'm just going to do a... yeah, I'm going to reset this here, then... Oh, well, anyway, no. Project from view is, I guess, okay with this. Just scaling it up like... Nah, actually, no. That's not working. Because... Yeah, because if you have uneven UVs, like if you have a quad right here, oh, hold on, and you have it set up like this, and then you're going to do the follow active quad projecting, you end up with something like this, and that's not cool because it's kinda doing weird stuff to your textures here. So it's best to use with a quad UV, so to say, like this, yeah. Okay. A little bit bigger, yeah. Okay. Yep, that looks alright. So. And now I'm just going to do some stuff right here because we want some background. I don't know. Okay, like this, and over here we're going to do basically the same. And all right. Oh, follow active quads again. Yeah, the texture looks good. Just a little bit of variation on the mountaintops here. Yeah, all right. So you basically can have each textured object in, or each texture material in one object like this, but you can also just separate this. Now you have two separate objects here. Oh yeah, actually, before I forgot it, we gotta name our stuff, because right now it's everything is called cube, right? So for this, let me check out, where is it? Oh, over here, yeah. Okay, we have this website over here. So you can basically look at this and see which surface is, which ID corresponds to which surface. Like 1 is solid, that's usually the road, 2 dirt, 3 another dirt. And they all have varying properties, so to say. Like dirt obviously is slowing you down, ice is slippery, and so on and so forth. Oh no, ice is actually, is it slippery? I think it just has a reflection. I think snow is slippery, yeah? Yeah, actually we want to use those IDs right here in our objects names. So I'm going to use... is this the road? Yeah, this is the road. Okay, 0, 1, or just 1 in this case, road. And then I'm looking at the list. Grass is 8, so we're putting this in here. And the finish line needs to be 1 as well. Mountain, I don't know. Since you can't scale it anyway, I guess I just use 255. That's the default ID, so it has no properties. Okay. Good. What are we going to do now? I guess we want to have some... Yeah, alright, I know what to do. Basically going to... Ice makes you slow down at a slower rate. Ah, yeah, okay. Yeah, I think snow is even stronger in this. No, it's not done. There's much to do. Let me think right now. What we're going to do here. What I'm going to do with you? Just gonna extrude this, I guess. Doesn't need to look that good. Excuse me. Yeah. Anyway, I don't know. I guess I can just do this, do this. We don't need the top part because you're not gonna see it anyway. We're going to see the bottom part though, but anyway, let's worry about that later. Yeah, it's really stretchy. Not too good, sorry. So that's... just extruding this. And down into the bottom. We don't need to intersect our grass here because this is too steep. This is acting like a wall. Like if you drive on the grass here and you can't pass this. So it doesn't matter if the grass is able to, or if the grass is set up to intersect this, like if you put like so. No need to. Okay. But this looks kind of dorky. Anyway. Let's give this some shape. Want to have some shape here. Okay. Yeah. I'm just gonna snap this to the same axis so it doesn't stick out anywhere. Good. Now, let's see. Can I unwrap this like this? Yeah, not perfect, but it works. Same goes for this. No? Oh yeah, right. Needs to have the correct texture applied first. Main road is 5. 5 is snow. Yeah, Frappy Snowland snow. Right. Yeah. That one is like if you slow down on it, you get dragged really long. Like it's not that cool. Do we have to do something else here? I guess yeah, because well, basically you want to have this shadowed, right? So I'm going to do the following. I'm just going to snap this here and snap this here. Yeah, looks okay. Because now I can just make a shadow part, like this face alone will have a shadowing feature. Okay, good. All right, so now what are we going to do next? I guess we want some elevation, right? Some height, actually. Let's see. What should we do right here? I'm going to use the proportional editing. Like, if you set this on, you can basically have a radius here that will affect your neighboring edges. In this case, yeah. Let's put it like this, I guess. Well, maybe that might be a bit steep, right? I got a good idea what to do here. Just make this part of the road a bit wider. Turn it up a bit. Turn this up a bit. And what about here? Yeah, this also. Yeah, there are a lot of functions hidden in Blender. Okay. You can basically press O and it will enable, disable on the press. Easy. Okay, and now I'm going to snap this here. Where is it? There is it. Some mountain snapping, and what about this? You know what? I'm going to use another texture here for this. Hold on. Yeah, okay. Separate this again. Now we have another object. It's still called one road, but Blender's adding digits behind if you duplicate stuff. Like you can't have two of the same name. So it will always, if you type in 0_road here, the other one will change. So like you can see here in my list. Okay, but I'm going to add another texture here. Good. Texture, let's use the wall. A preview down here. Right. I'm going to do this one. Yeah. Scale it up a bit. Like this. I think this looks... Well, no. Actually, does it? No. Yeah. This looks right. Okay, good. Now, next thing is... follow active quads. No, they're going down into the ground anyway, but I don't want this. This doesn't look too good, right? Let's see. If I triangulate this... Yeah, that's right. So basically we can... go something like this. Same here. Actually, let me snap this up here first. Okay, yeah, sorry about that. Just correcting the UVs a bit here, so it doesn't look too bad. Okay. Good, remove doubles. Okay, good. This is one. Actually, this stupid little thing here can go. I just don't need it. Good. Yeah, the street is now kind of crooked here, but whatever. Hey, Marshmallow. Oh, actually, this is just a tutorial map or course in this case. This is not going to be an amped up. Just so I can show you how I do my courses. Okay, how about we are going to make a little... Let's see what we can do here. Turn it down like this. Oh no, hold on. Because I still have my other thing I want to show off later. Yeah, okay, I'm just going to create a little creek or something alongside here. I'm using the knife tool for this from the top view, so I have good control. No, not today, I guess. It's not giving me what I want right now. Let me dissolve this. Maybe I can have a better success without it. Come on, why is it doing that? I'm confused. No. Okay. No. It doesn't want to. All right. Oh, yeah, I know why. I think I know why. Because I need to... What was it? Cut through. I need to press Z or C. However you want to pronounce it. That's a little bit iffy. I'm not too big of a fan of this. And it still doesn't work. Okay, right. Sometimes it just doesn't want to. Well, then let's do it a different way. We're just gonna extrude this down too much. No, I don't want it to be out of bounds. I just want to have a a little beach type of stuff here. The main menu? I'm not sure. There is no course in the main menu, or not. Anyway, we need to... Hello? Subdivide this again. Snap it like this. Alright. Oh, yeah. So I have a face on top here right now. I didn't see that before. Because it's cult from the back. Okay, I'm just gonna delete this now. Now I can select my stuff. Okay, nice. Okay. Actually, this will get another texture right now. Let's see. Sand. Sand. Right. From view. Something like this. Yeah. All right. So, because we actually want water in this, why not just use water? I'm going to just put this here, separate it, remove the material, add another one, texture, water. There we go. This can be a plane, because we don't want to drive on it later on anyway. So it doesn't matter if it sticks out. Actually... Okay. And then we are going to drop it down a bit, so it doesn't flicker. Something like this maybe? Yeah. Good. Okay, now give it a good UV mapping. Okay, yeah, speed run. Do your runs. All right. Good luck. Good. So now we have this. What else can we do? It flickers a bit, but it's not that bad, because you're actually only going to see it from, I guess, here. Well, actually, we can. Still a lot of room, right? Yeah, that's enough. Enough to drown. Yeah, okay, and here we are going to... Yeah, it's going to be translucent and moving. But that's for later. What could we do here? Maybe a drop-off, like a void type of drop-off. Let's see. Maybe I can just knife it this time. Please? Yes, now it's working. That's what I want to see. Right? Let's give this some shape here. We don't want too much unnecessary tries anywhere. This can go over here. Yeah, it's stretched right now, but gonna fix this later. Actually, this can go as well. Yeah. And then we can go back in here, subdivide it a bit, like 2 cuts. Then use those 2 cuts and move it back a bit, like so. Yeah, that's right. Okay. And now that my UVing is super bad here, I'm just going to... 20. Right, good as new. Okay, now this one can extrude downwards. Like so. Yeah, that's good. And now I'm going to extrude it a few more times along the road here. I think that's far enough, yeah. I mean, we can make it even more. Okay. All right. Now we have a problem. Because I can't use the follow active quads here. Because this one is not a quad. What we're gonna do... I'm just gonna see how this corresponds here. This is still connected right here. Yeah, okay. I'm going to fix it with the quad next to it. No, this one. Hold on. Oh, here. Okay. Yeah, looks better. Not too... Well, whatever, you know. Just go with it, I guess. Okay, cool. And now we're going to extrude this down as well. Extrude it over here. Yeah. This one can actually go a bit inward because it's not just a wall. Looks better this way. Because it's a natural feature, so... Yeah. Nope, wrong one. Follow active quads. Alright, there we go. And you can see it follows along, even in this corner here. It's actually quite nice. I like it. Alright. So if you fall down here, you'll get picked up. And the height you'll get picked up is like the same as this water basin here, like this surface. This will be the height. So you actually won't fall all the way down. And anyway, don't worry about that. No, I won't. Good. Let's see. Is there anything else I want to do? I guess add some structures somewhere. Like a little bit of fencing here and there. Just going to add a fence around the speed, or no, actually, if you want to drive out of on this edge here, you don't want a fence. I just put it here, you know. This should be enough. Let's see. Okay. Separate again, like with everything else we did so far. Remove this. You can only remove materials when you're not in edit mode, of course. Okay. Let's use this fence here. That was wood fence, right? Okay. What? Okay. I think I've done something wrong, so let's do it again. Yeah, right, okay. Okay. Good. Okay, like so. And you're noticing that the background is white. Yeah, mapping trees is stupid. Right, because this background is white, we want to enable transparency. But since this is a transparent texture anyway, we're going to do the same later in Tarmac, the tools. Hi, Nani, hi. Okay, cool. We got a weirdly stretched... No, I guess it's okay. It's not too bad. You know what? We're going to make it even better. That's the attention to detail right here. And this goes into... Well, yeah, anyway. Okay, cool. Now what's next is a little bit of background stuff, right? Let's put a thingy here. Ah, hold on. New texture again. This one is going to be metal fence. Metal fence, same transparency. Now let's do reset. Yeah. Five looks good so far. Yeah. So now we have this wonderful fence over here. You know, actually, let's go all out and put it around the entire map, because we don't want people drive off there, right? Hold on, wrong one. Follow active quads right here. Okay, and as you can see, the texture is on spot again. Always the same length. Oh, thanks. That's just my accent. Yeah, I'm not really. I'm not too well versed right now in speaking English, but okay. I'm trying my best here. Okay. I refer to making it look transparent. Well, actually, it was shown white, the transparent background, because that's what the let's see, hold on, can explain this. If I'm open this up in this texture here, right? Yeah. If I'm going to erase or anti-erase, see, it has a white background. So that's the thing. Oh no, please no. Don't close my blender. I'm actually going to save this red so we don't lose all this progress. Okay, cool. Let's see, we could like add another thingy over here. Hold on, let's fix up our surfaces real quick. Wall, mountain, grass. The sand is not grass, alright? Okay, so we're going to use, I guess, beach sand. Right, yeah. Beach sand looks okay. Otherwise, dirt, no. Yeah, I'm going with beach sand. That's OA, so it's 10. Because this is in bits like, you can see. This is 255. And anyway, I'm going to leave the links to this in the description after the stream. What was it? 10, right? Yeah, 10 cent. And water is actually, since we're not supposed to drive onto this, let's just, we don't need to give it any specific, just go with 255, that's okay. And here's something, oh, this is still called cube, see? 255 mountain 2. So let's just duplicate this, put it over here. Do some transforming onto, like scaling and stuff. So it doesn't look the same like this. You can actually enclose your entire background with mountains this way. Like just move them around. So it doesn't look too bland, right? Okay. What else do we have, actually? Is there anything else? Water. Oh, we could do a boost ramp. That's right. Let's do a boost ramp. Let's put it right here, right? Beach sand is sand by the water. Yeah. Well, it actually doesn't matter right now. It's not like... I think if you're underwater, you have the same speed, regardless of the surface, right? I'm not too sure. I have tested it. Okay, yeah. Boost ramp. So let's just say you're inside the water here and you want to boost out, or you want to get out quickly. and don't lose too much time by driving around here. So I'm going to... what I'm going to do right now, I guess, I'm just cutting it out, huh? Yeah, fully submerged is... but I guess it doesn't matter what surface is underneath then, right? If you're underwater, it's the same speed. I'm actually not too sure right now, so I don't want to... Okay, anyway. Doesn't look too good, right? In any case. I have cut through on, yeah? Why doesn't it let me... Weird. Now it's working. But it did something over here. The knife tool is strange sometimes. Like, why is there a single edge now? I need to delete that now. Is there anything else? Yeah, there's another one over here. I don't understand. Just, can I dissolve this? Yeah. And another one over here. Yeah, right. Just a... Yeah, be careful with the knife tool. It's not that great. Okay, now we're going to extrude it. Yeah, extrude. Extrude this up. Put this down, like so. Yep, looks nice. Separate this, and this as well. Is there anything else wrong? Let's just double check to make sure we're not having any double things on here. Okay. Yep, looks fine. Actually, there's another edge here I don't need. Yeah, much better. Okay. What? This is going to be brick wall. Brick wall, right. Just need something. Alright, that looks not too bad. This is wrong. This goes like this, okay? Yeah. And the top of this is going to be another texture, and we want this to be this arrow over here. Arrow, right. Now let's do it this way. Fix up the UVs a bit. Okay, good. This will be scrolling in the game. What do you mean by align the sides of this brick wall? Well, they're not connected right now. I could connect them to the main thing, I think. Yeah. Now they're connected. Yeah. See? Yeah, the sides of the ramp. Right. That's. I just used reset, and then I had a them all in square. Or the trees are, well, they were like this. I just scaled them up a bit. Okay. And since we want to drive onto this, we need to make a cut here. Not like this, okay. It won't let me cut. Okay, this is such a weird... In any case. Then we're going to subdivide this. Doesn't matter. As long as I can connect the vertices. Oh, like so. Triangulate. Now, because we want to drive out here onto this ramp, we need to have... first off, we don't want anything below this. Right? So that's why I cut off the grass there. And since we are changing geometry here, when we're driving from the sand into the ramp, those little vertices will help that we don't fall through. Okay, now just fix up the UVs again. All right, looks nice. Cool. Great. Anything else? Yeah, we could like make another mountain over here. Like so. Yeah, whatever. This is just a void then. I don't want it to go too crazy on here. Good. That's the course. I think we can work with this, right? Yep. Okay. Now we double check if everything is named correctly. We have sand, we have the finish line, road. What's road 3? Oh, that's the fence. 255 W fence. Mountain, wall, water, grass. Alright, yeah. Of course, I forgot. 255 ramp, wall. And this one is a special surface. Since we want to have it boost us into the air, we're going to use this one here. Boost ramp used in Royal Raceway. I'm going to use this one because the one used in DK's Jungle Parkway is actually slowing you down when you're landing, right? So you drop off to 0 speed. And the Royal Raceway one will let you keep going. Fantastic game. Yeah, fantastic game. I know. Okay, so what was it? It was 254. Are we on the same? Yeah, it's 254 boost. Yep. Great. Okay. Now I'm going to save it real quick. Double check everything. Looks alright so far. Great. Now that we have this set up, this is our mesh. Next thing we want to do before exporting is create our, so to speak, setup for Tarmac to read. I'm going to do 3 sections, I guess, just to show you how it is set up. Yeah, new surfaces will come soon whenever the new Tarmac update is out. Actually, I don't like this here. Why is this? What's this? What are you doing here? Infinitely stretched face? Yeah, much better. Yeah, okay, good. We're going to create our section cubes. That's what I called section cubes. And the reason why we need those is if we import the model in Tarmac, we can decide our sections, which one to render when you're driving onto which one, and so on. But I'm going to explain it when we're there. Right now we just want to have a cube. Yeah, I know it doesn't need multiple sections, but I'm going to have them anyway, so I can explain it better. Okay, the cube needs to be called section 1 for our first section. I have it on a new layer, so I can like toggle it on and off. See? Also going to move it aside a bit, just duplicate it, move the other one here. I'm going to do 2 sections, less work, okay? 2 sections right here. Yeah. Okay, and what we're gonna do is we're going to split up our course in half. So this is the whole road. I'm just going loosely like so. No, you can actually export with multiple layers, doesn't matter. Actually, I wanna... Yeah, because the fence starts here, I don't want to split up the fence right now, sorry. I'm just going to do this like this. Okay, looks good. Now I'm going to split up this one, so we have 2 objects here. This part of the road and this part, right? And the same with stuff like the grass. Just need to be sure that we have... Okay, yeah. Section this. And what I'm usually do is I'm putting these sections of the actual section parts of the mesh into different layers, so I have a better overview of what's... Oh, not like this, like this. Section 2 goes into layer 2, so I can just toggle them on and off. It's easier for me. You may do this in a different way, and I think Blender 2.8 and above have different ways of handling those. Not sure. This wall is entirely in section 2, so I can just put it over here. The fence here is also section 2. What else is section 2? I guess this is section 2. This fence is section 2. Yeah, right. And now for the mountain. Just gonna... Alright. Section 2. Great. Section 1 is now just this. Yeah, it's alright. Yeah, multiple sections are great if you have a lot of geometry to render and need to split it up, so it works on console. Okay, section 2 is here. Great, now we just need to do this following. We select everything from section 1, and then I'm going to enable the layer where I have my section cubes. Shift click on section 1 on this cube, and then Control P and set object keep transform. Oh, sorry. Where was it? Over here, right. And now you can see there's a line. Hold on. There's a line going from my mesh to the section. Now it's parented. And we're going to do the same with the other layer. Everything that's in section 2. No, come on. And we're going to do the same here. Keep transform. Okay. Great. Yeah, sections can be a little bit complicated at times. Basically, you don't need to do them if you don't have that much geometry in your course. Hola, Mario. Great. Is there anything else I am missing right now? I will come back to this later. All right. Yes. We need a path, of course, or else it wouldn't work, right? You wouldn't need to be able to drive. Okay, I'm going to a separate layer. Why am I over here? Okay, that's good. I'm going to add a Bezier curve. This is going to be our path. Right. And I'm going to scale down the handlers a bit because they'll mess up stuff later on and I don't want that, okay? And actually, no, what was it? All right, here in the settings you can turn off the handles and also the normals, but I want to see which way the path is going, so I just scale them down a bit, like 0.01 is good enough. Because if you go close enough, you can actually see which way, and that's enough to know. Oh, hey, that hamster. Glad you could made it. I am currently at our all favorite part, pathing, right? Okay, now it's going the wrong way. I'm going to... Cool. Our first point goes to 0, 0, 0. That's where we start. And now I'm enabling the course again. Like so. I have the feeling that it's a little bit big, but well, we'll see. We will see later. We can fix that. Okay, now here is our thingy, and now I'm just going to... Pathing isn't so bad once you've made a few... Yeah, it's not too bad, but it can go a bit on the nerves, as I like to say. I'm just going to drag them along here. Constantly in the middle of your street. Don't know where the street... I guess here. Yeah, anyway, that should go. Over here, over here. Like, just follow your road with the path, yeah? You can do big steps like this. Doesn't matter. Because we can subdivide it later on. I'm just going from edge to edge here, from the middle of each road part. Okay, and the last one is crucial because you want to connect this point to the first one, right? And you select both and just press F and they're connected. Easy. Good, and now we have our net of dots over here. That's the path. Yeah, right. Okay, so let's... Now we have our path here. We can actually press W and subdivide it. Then we can do some more cuts here on the left. Number of cuts like this. Right now we're at 693. That's 100. 231. 100. What am I saying? 231. Right. So you have to divide it by 3, this number here, because Blender counts the handles as words, and each path point has 2 handles, so making it 3 words per path point. In any case, now we have our lovely little path. I'm going to deselect the first one, so it stays there, right? Path type, you can set it to poly, then set it... Yeah. You can actually... What was it called? Convert. Yeah, I don't know right now what the thing is, the name, but you can do this here as well. You can convert it into a mesh, and then do stuff, and then convert it back to a Bezier curve later on. But I'm just going with it like this now. It's not too bad, because actually, if you have everything selected but you can press W and then smooth. Now it doesn't seem to do much right now, but if I do it a few times, you can see how those dots are moving out a bit. Like it's smoothing out the sharp turns right here. I just hit it a bunch. It's not perfect, like there's still some sharp turns here and there, like I think over here you can see it, like here and here, but it's not too bad. It should work. Okay, good. So far so good. Let's see, is there anything? Oh yeah, of course. Like over here, no? If you can see that those path points are inside our road, underneath our road rather. We want to move them up a bit. Actually, let's see if I can do it like this. O, then go up. Like so. I'm going to use another fall off here. I think linear. No, that's not it. Constant. No, constant is just finding the right thing is what I want to have. Smooth. Let's just go with smooth. Doesn't matter too much, right? Can still adjust it later here. This path is a little bit too much above the road now. It's really finicky sometimes. I should have done this before subdividing everything. Would have made it much easier. Actually, should I do this? Yeah. I'm going to do this again. Just undo everything. And then I'm going to move this up here. Like so, this one here. Until it sticks out of the road. Like so, right. Oh no, no. I'm going to normalize, and now I'm going to subdivide again. Pull it up to 10, that's good. Deselect the first point. Yep. Yeah, you can do this. You can just move everything on its own, but that's really tedious sometimes. Yeah, right now we want to smooth it again a bunch of times. Yeah, okay, that should be enough. Yeah, looks good. All right, and now we're going to move this up a bit because it's currently directly on a road and we don't want this. We want it a bit up above the road. Just so your character won't like spawn inside the road there. Just be cautious about that. Okay, cool. What else we can do? We can like add some item boxes. I think that's okay. Item boxes, trees, piranhas, red coins, right. So let's add another cube. Why is my cube over there? I don't want that. I wanted it to spawn at 0, 0, 0. There we go. Well, I have a feeling that my cursor is a little bit big, to be honest. But it shouldn't be. It's 175. Well, let's see. Just we can fix this later. No worries. Okay, so now we have our cube here. We want this to be an item box. We just type in the name item box. Now this cube is called item box, as you can see here. And we're going to place them on our road somewhere, like in a row or in a circle somewhere. Then now duplicate, put another. Like so. Then we're going to add, duplicate those and move them over here. Actually, let's do it like this. Okay, looks good. What else do we want? Yeah, we want some trees, right? Then we just grab one of those cubes called item box, move it somewhere, call it tree. And now, where is it? Right. I want this to be bigger so I can see it better. Okay. Yeah, you can toggle them on and off, the name tags. Like you can see over here, display, name. You can even turn on the axis, wireframe, okay. And so on and so forth. I just toggle them on so I know what cube is what, since they're all looking the same. Okay, but we want to have some cubes over here. Another one over here. Just place some over here. Move them around a bit. And some over. Yeah. Okay. This hack, well, this won't be in a hack, this is just a tutorial video. I'm not going to put this in any of my courses or hacks or mods or whatever. It's just there to show you how it's done. Now just put some trees over here. Like so, I guess. And now they're in the air again. Cool. Okay. This looks good. Now we want some piranha plants as well. So we're going to duplicate it. No, sorry. Not like this. Pyran. Pyran. I think that's called. Right? Piranha? Well, yeah, I'm going to release this as part of your learning knowledge curve, whatever. You can look at it later, then open up the FBX, and so this won't go to waste anyway. Okay, put some piranha plants over here. Maybe some over here. Some over here. And some over here. Check in on them, yeah. Okay, cool. And last thing we want to do is golden red coins for our red coin mode. Same as with all the other things. Duplicate and call it red coin. Red coin, yeah, right. And let's just put it on a road somewhere, on the side of the road maybe. Like so. Like so. We want to have 8 of them, right? Because you can collect 8 at maximum. 1, 2. This one is a little bit dangerous on the cliffside here. Then 3. Like so. We have 4 right now, right? Yeah. Let's put 1 underwater, because why not? And 1 can be on this ramp. And the last one. Where should we put the last one? I don't know. There isn't much to put them. I mean, I could like put 1 over here, so, or over there. So you have to choose which one to collect, right? I don't know. In any case, I think that's it. We have our path, our trees, our plants, red coins, item boxes. Everything is set up. Okay. Now the fun stuff begins. Like, we just need to select our path here. Have it select, you don't need to select any of those other boxes, just the path. And export Mario Kart 64 POP, and I'm going to basically put it in the same folder. Down here you can select or deselect stuff if you don't want to export your coins, for example. But we want all that. Finished. Pop file exported. Okay, cool. Now, do I have... No, I don't. Okay, now I need to know where all my stuff is. I placed them on the wrong layer. Oh, okay. Can just do this, right? Yeah. And place them on the same... I usually place them on the same layer as the path. Makes it a bit more tidier, I guess. Right. Now that we have the mesh, I'm going to select everything. Be sure to have your two cubes, your section cubes selected as well. Right. And I'm going to save real quick, and then I'm going to export it as an FBX. Here's the tutorial. I don't know why I have test FBX in there anyway. And the export settings are a little bit special in my case. I'm going to go over this real quick. Scale 1, everything. Oh yeah, I check selected objects only, so I have more control over what I export. So you don't export the path and everything and your whole scene, just the things you have selected. That gives me some control. FBX 7.4 binary. I just have empty and mesh ticked here, and I think everything else should be the same, right? Yeah. Well, you can see it here. If you're going to go after this tutorial, just copy over this. And I have all those saved as a preset. Right. Okay, export. Let's see. Now for the fun part. I'm going to open up Tarmac. Okay, here it is. Tools, course compiler. Let's see. I'm really curious if it works now. We're going to use the FBX. Open up, yes, and oh, look at that. 255 fence has an UV error. Other than that, nothing. Okay, let's fix that real quick. That's not too bad. I think that's this fence over here. Yeah, it is. You know what? I'm going to scale this down by 2.5. Doesn't matter, actually. You can subdivide those faces that are giving you the error. My Tarmac is that color on boot up, yeah. Okay, so now that I fixed the UVs, let's export again. I'm selecting everything here, right? Pressing A 2 times, so everything is selected. Then export again, test FBX. Okay, where's my Tarmac? Here it is. Let's see if it works. FBX test. Yeah, no error message this time. Now we're going to select the pop file we have created earlier, and now it's time to see if everything looks good. And what should I say? Yeah. Huh. Not too bad, right? Okay, this is really laggy on textured view. But everything is here, the path looks good. Alright. Cool. Okay, let's go over this real quick. Credits text is, for now, it's just displayed on the start of a race, but we're going to change this for course names, so they display the actual course names. The preview. Noobish Adventures. I'm going to release this, yeah. When I'm done with the stream, I'm going to pack everything up and put it in the description here. So you can come back to this URL later and check the description and grab it. I'm not going to do any special video for this. Okay. All right. Where? Okay. Preview image is what's inside in the map select screen, like the preview. Banner is the name, the preview name in the map select. Those aren't used. Map image is your minimap. Then a few settings. We're going over this later. Skybox colors, echo 00. We don't want this. I'm just going to do a test right now. Okay. I'm just going to go into the textures tab here. We have our textures. Mountain is just solid. There's nothing we need to do. Metal fans is transparent. I just check double-sided as well. Now the road is mirrored on the S-axis. The fence is double-sided and transparent. What else do we have? This one needs to scroll, so I guess 4 should be okay. Then we have water. Water can scroll on both axes and needs to be translucent. There's a difference between transparent, this is cutout, and translucent is see-through, right? I'm going to use like 150 alpha value here. Send, nothing. Finish, nothing. Okay, that's it. Those were... is there anything? No, okay. Looks good. Great, now the other things we'll check out later. I'm just going to compile this right now. Here's my hotspot ROM. And I'm putting this in the output folder. Now I just need to wait for it to compile. Finished. So we have our emulator here. And I'm opening the ROM. Let's see. Let's see if it shows up. Pressing R here. Okay, it's there. Okay, cool. There we go. Here's the course. Let's see if everything works. The fence looks good. Red coins are a bit too high, I guess. Or that's just a model. Alright, cool. Looks like we're on ice, huh? Yeah, I'm going to go over this in a sec. We need to go back to Blender for this, but I'm just testing this out right now. Let's see if this works. No, it doesn't because I'm on the wrong surface. Let's change surfaces here. Okay. Yep, it does work. Nice. And the lap is being counted. Cool. Now with geometry like this fence here, if you just have it one-sided and tick the double-sided option here, it won't work like this. Like if you drive in through the other way, from the other side, you get pushed through. We can fix this in Blender as well. Thanks, Dead Hamster. I put my heart into this, as you can see. Well, yeah, not too bad, right? So far, so good. Okay. Those coins are a little bit high in the air. What about you? You as well. Okay. Nah, everything is a little bit above ground, I guess. All right, yeah, I know why. Because it takes the origin of the cubes, and the origin of each cube is in the middle of each cube. So, oh, that's fitting, right? Now we're going to fix this real quick, okay? Okay, let's see. No. I just want to select this. Okay, good. As you can see, the little dot here in the middle is what's actually the origin. So this needs to be below or on ground level. Well, actually the item boxes, not the item boxes, okay. Everything else should be... Okay, I guess that will work. Okay, what else? What else? Right, we wanted to have this shadowy, right? So if you're driving... actually, just do this real quick. What do we know? We do this later. That's not important right now. Just make this here. Okay. So I want this part of the road, this face, to be shadowy. Like if you're driving over this face, your character should be dark, right? I'm going into vertex paint mode with press of V. And then I'm going to check this. So I'm just working on a selected face. And then I'm going to choose a dark color here. And paint it dark. Like so. A nice sharp shadow, right? Maybe too dark. Yeah, much better. And I'm going to do the same for the faces which are below here. You can actually press Shift and K, and it will fill all the faces you have selected with your selected color. Easy stuff, right? Okay, so now this is done. Anything else I need to paint? No? Okay, cool. Right. So this is actually what your course will look like, right? But your character won't be drawn shadowed because just because of this, because we need to do something else. And this is create our sections, our course master objects, like another section cube, but it's not called section this time. In any case, I'm going to make a duplicate of this. Course master objects. Right, I think that's it. Course master objects. Let me double check real quick if it was his name. I think so. Yeah. Everything's good. Okay, now we have a new cube. I'm going to move this to another layer as well. And now we are going to go back to our mesh, our whole mesh, everything we have here, and we are going to duplicate this right now, everything duplicated, just the mesh. And I'm going to move this to another layer, because this will be everything that's drawn. This is what you can see, okay? And everything you can see needs to be parented to, now where was it? here we go. Everything you can see is going to be parented to course master objects. Hold on. Yeah, right. Okay. So I'm going to parent this to this object here. Well, perhaps. If you're having problems, you should recreate the cube then. Right, I have this. Okay, now this is everything that's visible to us, right? We don't want anything to be changed here. This is looking good so far. Now you can vertex paint on this as well, like make some dark spots over here, for example. Like so, right? And this will show up. This will be rendered in game. Let's do like... Let's put some shading on the sand here. Right? Like some blue shading here. Where is it? Ah, there it is. All right. So if you drive underwater right here, we'll have this nice blue shade. Okay, cool. So far for the course master objects, or visibility mesh in this case, right? Now we're going back to our sections. So this is everything you're colliding with. See? This doesn't have the vertex color in here. And we're going to have, for this shade right down here, we're going to, I think it was red. Give it a full red. This face needs to be full red. Now this doesn't show up in game because it's only on a collision mesh. But this vertex color specifically is so it makes your character be shaded like he's in a shadow or in a tunnel or anything. I mean, I can do it like this. Doesn't really matter. Yeah. Okay. That's that. And now we're going to have defense fixed, so you won't drive through it from the other side. I'm just duplicating it. Right click, so it's in the same space again, and then I'm going to press Ctrl F, flip normals. And now it's on both sides, as you can see. So the normals are facing left and right from each side, so you won't be able to drive through this anymore. And for this, right, we don't want to collide with this as well. In object mode, I'm just going to delete this. Okay, that's it. And actually, do we have something else for the collision? I don't think so, no. Okay, let's go. Now I'm going to select all my layers I have here. Now this is everything, right? This is... oh, actually... Let me re-export the pop data, because we changed the height of those objects here. And now I'm going to select everything we have. As you can see on the vertex shading here, vertex coloring, we have our visible mesh, and we also have the one with the red, right? The collision mesh. And we also have our 3 cubes here. Right, section 1, section 2 and master course object. Everything is selected right now. And we're going to export everything. Override, yes. I'm going to save this again. And now the fun begins, okay. Course compiler. Load up our FBX. Okay. and our pop file. Good, fine. Everything looks good so far. Now if we go into sections, we have 2 sections here, and you can see, if I'm not hovering over it, the water plane doesn't light up in any section because it's not part of a collision mesh anymore. You can drive through it. Okay, so for now, let's see. We have some stuff to do right now, and this will be doing this all again. Double-sided, road is mirrored, mountain is nothing, fence is transparent, double-sided, the water is moving, 1 and 1, well, let's do 2, I guess, translucent, of course, 150, double-sided as well, because then you can see it from below. The arrow was scrolling 4. Okay, I think that's it, right? Yeah. And since I don't want to do this all every time I do some changes, I'm going to export this right now. MK64 tutorial mat. I'm just calling it that. Materials, right? Okay, we want to select, or we want to have our water to act as water. So if you drive underneath this plane, you should be underwater, right? And that's rather simple. We just need to select one vertex here, and here we have the set value, that's -15. And now we're going back into Tarmac and we're putting -15 into here. That's it. Okay, let's see it. Anything else? For now, this should do it. Okay. Compile. Let's compile it again. Hot swap. Output. We're almost done, right? Hi, Gabriel. Okay, let's see if everything works. Yeah. Zoom out a bit. Yes, testing time is always nice. Okay, are you on the... Yep, looks good now. Now you're in the same height as everything else. Okay, cool. Okay, the fence should be working. Front side, back side. Everything's good, right? Okay, shadow. Right, it works, see? Your character is dark. The magic of vertex colors. Okay, this coin is a bit too below in the ground. Well, okay, let's see if it works if I jump down here. It does. And now let's see if this works as well. Yeah, nice. Yep, looks good so far. Oh, right, we still need to check out if the item boxes are there, right? I'm going to do this in Grand Prix mode real quick. I'm also going to choose 150. Just to test this out, if this is beatable. Okay. Well, can't say much, but it's working. The CPU is driving across along the road well enough for me. Could be better, but hey, you can still go back to the path and optimize it. Peach. Okay, don't DK is like far ahead because he's a cheater. Let's see if I can keep up. I don't think so. Oh, another one, right? And I'm stuck in this. Why are you driving into the fence, Mario? What's wrong with you? Let's see if we can make it this time. Let's watch him. Okay, the camera is kind of jittery for some reason. I'm not sure why this is. Maybe I have a cheat or something. Yeah, I think I... Yeah, it was a cheat, I guess. Sorry. Now he's driving... Yeah, insanity's over. Okay, great. Cool, so I think we have everything what we needed to do in Blender done. So I'm going to... Oh no, there's one more thing. Because we want a minimap, right? Yeah, we want a minimap. And we're going... that's how I do it. Like, you can do it however you want. I'm just going to hide everything else. Just the road should be visible. I'm going to... Oh, in case no shading. Ah, this should be working. Okay. I'm just going to take a screen cap of this because I'm lazy, right? And then I'm going to open my minimap. Where is it? Over here. Oh, hello. And I'm going to paste it in here. Scale layer, how much is it? 64 by 96. 64. Right. Cool. I'm just lazy. Excuse me, but I'm not going to do a perfect minimap here. And desaturate. Make it black and white. Okay. Yeah, that's GIMP. Okay, cool. Now that we have our minimap, we can actually just put it in here. There it is. In any case, what's next? What should I do now? Okay, yeah, we're going to do sections, and actually there isn't much sense in doing it when we only have 2 sections here. In any case, I'm just going to explain it real quick. Like right now we have 2 sections here, section 1, section 2. And whenever you're driving over anything that's on section 1, like so, you have everything that's ticked here visible. And if you're facing this direction, like if you're facing north, that would be like so. That means everything that's south, everything that is south can be made invisible. Like there isn't much. I guess this one here can made invisible. Yeah, that's, you don't need to see this and this as well. But other than that, there isn't much because we don't have much to work here. To work with here. I mean, it's relatively small. I'm just going over this real quick because why not? East is everything. West should be the same. Okay, cool. And the same for section 2. Like if you're facing east, you don't need to see this water here or this boost and the brick wall of this boost as well. Okay, yeah, that should be it. Or for example, the finish line, you don't need to see that when you're over there. That's how you can optimize your course, so it won't lag that much on console. Well, yeah, anyway. I guess east. If you're looking east, you don't see this as well. Okay, whatever. This is a bit more elaborated than I have the time right now to do. Okay, so next thing will be going over this here. Okay, we have our minimap already in here. We're going to do this in a bit. This is the color of your minimap, so you can actually make it, well, I don't know, red. Well, let's choose this for color. Why not? And this is the sky. This is the topmost color. Let's make it this, then the middle color, something like this, and the bottom color, we don't see the bottom color at all, but whatever. Echo, we have a path range for our echo here. In the future we're going to have multiples, but right now it's only one. And the thing is, this is going to affect when the echo sets in, right? So along those path markers, we want like an echo in this crevice here. That's, yeah. The thing is, we don't know actually in Tarmac where the path markers are, like the count of them. So what I'm doing is I'm just selecting everything up to the point where I want the echo to start, and that should be here. And now we have one over here. We have a 174 selected, right? This is everything. This from the very start to our echo start, and we're dividing this by 3. This is 58. I'm going to put the start of our echo to 58, and then I'm going back here, selecting a few more, like so. This is 2, 3, 4. I'm just converting this 78. Okay. Back in Tarmac, we're putting 78 in here. 58, 78, that's 20 markers, really? Oh yeah, that could be. No, those are 20 markers, all right. Okay. Down here, this is the tempo, so usually you will have it at 2. For larger courses with more lag, especially on 3 and 4 players, you should multiply the tempo by 3 or something. But for single player and for emulator on PC, it shouldn't matter that much. Music, we can choose any music from the game here for our map. Then we have, right, those are our custom hotspot sets. In them, let's see. Let me demonstrate this real quick. Right now we have set A, Mushroom Cup, course 1. Yeah, I'm going over some steps here just to, I don't know. People are asking a lot, so. And this is the stock set, right? This is custom set 1, custom set 2, 3, and 4. And based on what you're putting in here, set ABC, it's called ABCD here, and 1, 2, 3, 4. It's the same, okay? And of course, you can choose the cup and the course, and it will then appear anywhere here where you set it. That's it. Okay. What else? What else? What else? Wanted we to do? Do we have anything else right now? Of course, surfaces object is not implemented yet. Surfaces is the same. You can see grass, FF1, 10, beach sand. It's everything is in here. You can basically go in there and reset your surfaces, your surface IDs. Any case, I think we wanted to do the minimap now. Okay, I'm going to compile again. Hold on, no, hot swipe. It was hot swipe. Sorry. Output, select folder, finished. Goes really fast, and I'm going to reload the ROM. The ROM is in our output folder, right? Just in case you're wondering. Oh, right. I forgot we want to set up the map. So I'm going into practice mode, choosing map here. Yeah. Tumble no collision is also in there. But I'm doing this not on the whole object, but rather on a face per face base. Okay, now that we have map selected, load into our course. Okay, there's the map, as you can see, in our bright pink. Wonderful, right? Okay, now with the D-pad, with this selected, you can move your minimap around, right? You can basically, if you want to, you can have it on your Mario, whatever. But we don't want that. We want it over here. Okay. Now the next one was right with R. If you press R and down, you go to the next entry in this list here. And this one with a D-pad again sets your current position. Basically, you want to start over here, and then you just drive around and see if it fits your course. Not quite. I'm going to drive around one time just to see where it's lacking. Okay, this is okay. Alright, I guess it's the scale. Seems to be the scale. Ooh. Dang it, made a mistake. Okay, back at the starting line. Let's go up the scale a bit. Looks better. I think that's it. Yeah, this is a good scale. Yeah, that works. Nice. Okay, now we have those parameters here. We're just going to fill them into our Tarmac editor. And map X is 278, map Y 167, start X is on 7, start Y 51, and our scale is 2.09, right? Yeah. Yeah, it's kind of weird. I don't know. This is the jump there. Something you have to work with. Expect some bugs here and there. Okay, cool. Now that we have our map coordinates here, I'm going to just save this real quick. MK64 course. No, info. I'm just saving MK64 tutorial info so I can find it later. Alright, what else? We have a preview image and a banner image left. I'm going to quit this. Going back to the title. And now I'm going to turn this off again, turn on the fly cam. Hi Toxic, welcome back. And now with the fly cam enabled, I go back into our level. No Mario. Where is he? Well, we can fly around now. And again with R and your D-pad, you can move, turn up your speed. Okay. What's... Oh, there was some kind of lag. And now we're just going to choose a good spot. Oh no, just... Why not? This looks okay, right? Or like this, I guess. And because I'm lazy again, I'm just going to screen cap this. Because why not? This is actually how I'm doing this, right? And where is it? Banner? No, it's in the preview. Now I'm going to open up preview.png. Now I'm having a size of 128 times 78. This works well for me. I don't know. I don't think you can go that much higher. I'm not sure what the original dimensions are. But anyway, this works. And I'm going to scale this down by 128. Yeah, that's okay. My layer is down now. We don't need that much of the sky. Okay, this looks good. This can be deleted. Now we have just this. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the mode from RGB to indexed. 255 colors is okay. Now it doesn't look much different, but actually helps to reduce the file size so it wouldn't look glitchy later on. Okay, now that's done. We're going to save this. And we also have the banner, our name, right? 78 might work, I don't know. I just have it like this because I had some issues with glitchiness. Like the image was reading some kind of other data and I had problems there, so I set it down. Okay, now I have my banner image. I just had a preset here because I wanted to have the original colors. choosing the topmost and the bottommost color here for the shading. And then I'm just going to 8-bit one. Okay, yeah, you can actually make whatever you want here. Like in every font you wish to like, you can make your text, your banner image. Okay, does it work? Why is it over here again? Come on. I'm just going to... Okay, this should work. Now I'm going to name it something like tutorial nice tutorial, because it's a nice tutorial, right? Okay, that's it for this. Now I'm going to do it my way. Where was it? Alpha 2 selection, new layer. Oops, something. Okay. Okay. Deleting here. And I'm going to alpha to selection. Now I'm going to use, where was it? Grow by 1 pixel. Then I'm going to use a black color again. Okay. It's not even centered right. We can do this real quick. No, we can't. Yes, we can, of course. Just need to make this a new layer. And this one... Here's the perfection, right? Yeah, okay. I'm saving this. Oh, you're screen shotting your in-game emulator window as well for the preview image. That's cool. Okay, now that we have our images set up, we're just going to go into here, use the preview over here, and the banner into this slot. Just going over it real quick. Is there anything else? I'm just going to put tutorial into here. Tutorial. Okay. Okay. Cool. Now I'm going to save this again. Export. Tutorial info. And we're going to compile it. Hot swap. The output directory is output select folder. Yeah, I've taken screenshots and blenders as well, but it's much better to have it in-game because you actually have the sky and everything rendered, right? And the trees and stuff. Okay, cool. Now we're reloading. Hello, the PC Xbox. Let's check it out. Does it work? There we go. It's working. Image is there. Banner is there. It flashes. It says tutorial there. And our nice pink minimap. And of course our nice cute course, right? I mean, I do like the water here. The shading of the sand beneath gives off like a glow if you look down from above. Not a series, it's just one video, or one stream rather. So actually, if you come from above here and you look down, it looks nice, in my opinion. The water's moving, this is moving. Maybe fly owl, like an owl or a bird or whatever. Okay, cool. Yeah, that's it. Oh yeah, you can see the bottom sky down there. Changing music for the course, actually. You can, in Tarmac, you can just choose any of the available stock music here, right? We're going to have another setup where you can extract a song from another ROM and put it into your own level or own course. Like, that's in the future. That's not available yet, right now. But stuff is going to be updated. And we will have a lot of new features, and maybe I need to do another video someday in the future. I don't know. But for now, let's see if I can do something real quick. So, view. Let's do something funny. Oh. No, that's not it. Hold on. Oh. I'm missing this, right. Let's watch Mario drive around for a bit. Yeah, custom music is actually that's really something. Custom music is rather an experience to do than, I don't know if I can do a real tutorial, because the way of porting it in is sometimes you have different errors and sometimes you need to approach it differently. But actually the process of making custom music is the same like for Super Mario 64, so you can just watch any tutorial on that. Well, Mario, are you gonna do it? Doesn't look too bad, right? Yeah, he's doing it. And yeah, there are some corners here and there where he drives too close. In this case, you have to adjust your path, your Bezier curve, and move the path markers a little bit away from the inside of this corner, right? So they take a wider approach to this angle. But yeah, it's working. Cool. All right. That's it then. Yeah, I hope everything has been said and that you can do your own courses if you ever wondered how to do them, and now you can follow my little silly tutorial. Okay, cool. So with that, I'm going to wish you a good day, good evening, good night, whatever, and I'm going to upload the files I've used here, and we'll link them down in the description so you can get them by yourself and test out stuff and do your own edits to this or whatever. All right then, have a good one. See ya, everybody.